Hello to one and all, myself Pallavi Tripathi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I am here with another topic related with the cell biology, that is a cell signaling. Very important topic as well as interesting also. So in this you all know that each and every cell receive or respond to signals, है ना? Signals that they receive from surrounding. So what are the different processes once the signal is received? We are going to just see in this cell signaling. So surely it is a series of steps, and multiple steps are involved by which the external stimuli that is being received from the environment are converted into chemical signals, and then ultimately we get a cellular or physiological response. So you can just say information here is relayed है ना, across plasma membrane to the cell interior and even sometime transmitted to the cell nucleus. It totally depends on the types of the cell signaling. So yes, we can just categorize or simplify in three steps. One is the reception, है ना, signal is just received by the receptor. Then further, once the signal is received, now these signals are transduced. What basically happen here, signal are converted into intracellular events like enzyme activation, है ना, intracellular events like enzyme activation or the other thing, and in the end what we get a response, cellular response, such as the gene expression changes, secretion, anything, it could be anything, and we will see one by one. So if we are saying signal, so it could be extracellular as well as intracellular molecule also. Signals are termed as ligand, and they could either be organic or inorganic, है ना, they bind to certain receptor and just thereby alter the function of the target cell. They are also known as primary messenger. They could be ions, sugar, proteins, anything. If we talk of the receptor, they just bind to the ligand. Usually for the extracellular, they are transmembrane, है ना. So they could be protein, small peptide, amino acid, anything. Then the secondary messenger, once the signal are transmitted from receptor to a target messenger, secondary messengers are released, like that of the CAMP, है ना, calcium. So these are the secondary messenger that are responsible for enhancing the cellular response. So here the modes of cell signaling, we are going to just see the modes. There are the three different modes: autocrine, paracrine and endocrine. In this autocrine, what basically happen, a cell signal itself, है ना, and such signaling are common in cancer cell, immune cell, है ना, autocrine. Then the paracrine signals, such cell signals give signals to the nearby cell, है ना. The best example of paracrine signals are the neurotransmitter, like that of the acetylcholine and, है ना, neurotransmitters are the best example. Then comes the endocrine. Here the hormones, है ना, you are well known of hormones. So basically what happen here, the cell release the signals into the bloodstream, and it is carried to the blood vessels, है ना, to the distant cell, and in response, certain response are being observed once the signal is received by the distant cell. One more is there, although juxtacrine, है ना, when there is a direct contact between the cell, between adjacent cell, when there is a direct contact, such type of transmission of the signal are known as juxtacrine signaling. So we are going to just see the basic pathways, although we just have already seen that broadly we can say the signal or reception, then the of course the binding, transduction, and ultimately the response, cellular response. So same things are written in an elaborated way. First thing is the release of the appropriate signal molecule. It could be extracellular as well as intracellular. They both can just initiate the process of the cell signaling. Once these signals are received, those are also known as primary messenger. They just bind to the receptor. Once they bind, they just increase the secondary messenger concentration of intracellular secondary messenger. Examples are mentioned here. Once the secondary messengers are released, one thing very important need to be noted, that once the messengers are released, it will not always going to activate a process. It could inhibit also. That is also a part. Inhibition is also a part of cell signaling only, है ना. Accordingly, it depends on the type of action, whether activation is required or inhibition of that particular pathway is required. Accordingly, the signals will be received and the effector cell will respond, है ना. So this it could lead to physiological response as well as can transcribe certain transcription of certain enzymes. It can just help in opening or closing of the pump or channel. So anything could be done once the signal are received by the effector cell or the target cell. Then yes, termination is also a very important process, like that of the initiation. Like that of initiation of cell signaling, termination is also very important, because if it will not be terminated at a proper time, then it can lead to detrimental effect, है ना. Many type of cancer and many thing can happen. So